Ħanikonkludu billi nurukom preżentazzjoni.
Dawn huma 3 modi ta' kif nistgħu naqsu l-iskart. L-ewwel ħaġa li rridu nagħmlu huwa li naqsu l-iskart. Dan bl-Ingliż jissejjaħ reducing. Imbagħad nara nistax nuża l-oġġett, bl-Ingliż reusing. Jekk ma tistax terġa' tuża l-oġġett, irriċiklaħ, recycling. Innaqsu l-iskart. Minflok tuża borza tal-plastik, uża container. Minflok tuża fl-ixken disposable, uża fl-ixken li ma jitafġux. Meta tmur tixtri, għażel affarijiet b'inqas wrapping u basketta drab minflok tal-plastik. Nerġa' nuża. Uża plastic bag li jkun diġà użat. Ikteb minn żewġ naħat ta' karta. U jekk għandek xi ħwejjeġ, tihom li xi istitut minflok tarmihom. Ir-riċiklaġġ. Is-simbolu ta' tliet vleġeġ ikun imwaħħal moġġett meta jkun ġej minn materjal irriċiklat. Kun żgur li oġġett tista' terġa' tużah qabel tirriċiklah. Ir-recycling bins. Ir-recycling bins qegħdin hemm biex tużhom bil-għaqal.
Naddu issa preżentazzjoni oħra din id-darba mill-Iskola St. Joseph tal-Bla tal-Bajda.
Jum l-ambjent reġa' magħna u għal darba oħra qed nieħdu sehem fil-Parlament tal-Ekoskola. Din is-sena skolastika kienet waħda importanti u memorabbli għall-iskola tagħna St. Joseph Bla tal-Bajda. Fid-9 ta' frar li għadda, Nature Trust Malta ppreżentatilna l-Green Flag, il-bandiera prestiġjuża li b'entużjażmu kbir tellajna fuq il-bejt tal-iskola fl-14 ta' Marzu. Il-Green Flag tilqana kull filgħodu aħna deħlin l-iskola u tfakkarna li rridu naħdmu dejjem aktar biex insalvaw l-ambjent issa jekk irridu li jkollna xi ngawdu meta nikbru.
Għall-Parlament tal-Ekoskola kellna nanalizzaw tema mir-rapport tal-MEPA dwar il-qagħda tal-ambjent f'Malta. Billi din is-sena l-ekokod tal-iskola tagħna kienet ma naħlux enerġija, iddeċidejna li naħdmu fuq climate change u f'qasir żmien l-istudenti sew tal-primarja kif ukoll tas-sekondarja bdejna nfittxu informazzjoni u għamilna anke surveys fuq din it-tema. Xi studenti kitbu fuq il-problema tal-global warming, oħrajn kitbu stejjer immaġinattivi dwar x'jista' jiġri jekk aħna ma nagħtux każ tal-ħsara li qed nagħmlu l-ambjent.
It-tfal ta' 6 sena għamlu survey interessanti u nkwetanti fl-istess ħin fejn sirna nafu kemm jgħaddu karozzi madwar l-iskola tagħna bitħaħen u l-gassijiet li jarmu fl-arja li minna rridu nieħdu n-nifs waqt li nkunu l-iskola. Minn barra dan, l-iskola tagħna hija qrib il-power station tal-Marsa, kif ukoll iċ-ċumnija tal-Isptar San Luqa. Wara l-iskola hemm ukoll żewġ pompi kbar tal-petrol u ħafna drabi ikun hemm rieħa qawwija ta' gass, speċjalment meta r-riħ ikun jaqbel. Indunajna li b'dawn il-perikli kollha għal saħħitna hemm bżonn li jsir xi ħaġa bis-serjetà mill-awtoritajiet tal-pajjiżna biex titjieb is-sitwazzjoni.
Saret ukoll Vox Pop fejn ħafna tfal esprimew l-opinjoni tagħhom fuq l-ambjent filwaqt li oħrajn għamlu dana billi penġew dak li jħossu. Uħud minn dawn ix-xogħlijiet se jiġu pubblikati f'ħarġa speċjali tal-Junior News ta' nhar l-4-8 ta' Ġunju. Illum nistgħu nippreżentaw ftit biss minn dak kollu li sar. Dawn se jkunu bl-Ingliż billi nkitbu biex jiġu pubblikati fit-Times of Malta.
Global warming. Many scientists believe our planet is threatened by global warming, a term used to describe the overheating of the Earth caused by pollution. A major factor in global warming is an increase in the amount of the gas carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, along with methane and nitrous oxides, produced by factories and vehicles. Greenhouse gases act rather like the glass in a greenhouse. They let the sun's heat pass through the atmosphere, but prevent it all escaping back into space. As the volume of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases, so does the temperature of the atmosphere. Global warming will affect everyone on Earth. Climates will change, and sea levels will start to rise. Global warming will also have a great impact on our water, soils, plants, and animals.
The effect of transport on global warming. Today, it has become a habit of ours to just step into a car, and it will take us to wherever we want to go. However, these cars can be very dangerous because to work, they burn petrol or diesel, and these release carbon dioxide into the air. Carbon dioxide is the same gas that we breathe out and that plants take in, so it is found in nature, but by using cars, we are adding even more to the air. There should be only about 1% carbon dioxide in the air, yet in some places such as Milan, it has reached as much as 10%. In Malta, it's not that bad yet, but it will become worse over time. We should do our best to stop relying on cars. Take your bicycles out of the garage and start using them. Start walking when possible. The longer we rely on cars to take us everywhere, the harder it will become to stop using them.
Traffic survey by year 6. Since we are in Ekoskola, we have decided to make a survey of the surrounding pollution and traffic flow around our school. We have chosen these 3 major roads which surround our school, namely Triq Dun George Preka, Triq l-Indipendenza, Triq Nazzjonali. Also, we have chosen 2 different time periods, 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. Both these surveys were 15 minutes long.
Graph A. At 9 a.m. in Triq Dun George Preka, 129 vehicles passed by, 20 heavy vehicles and 109 light vehicles. During the same time, from Triq l-Indipendenza, 771 vehicles passed by, 106 heavy vehicles and 665 light vehicles. Likewise, from Triq Nazzjonali, 536 heavy vehicles, 536 vehicles passed, 140 of which were heavy vehicles, and 396 light vehicles.
Graph B. At noon in Triq Dun George Preka, 112 vehicles passed by, 36 heavy vehicles and 76 light vehicles. From Triq l-Indipendenza, 586 vehicles passed by, 93 heavy vehicles and 493 light vehicles. While from Triq Nazzjonali, 985 vehicles passed by, of which 157 were heavy vehicles and 828 light vehicles.
These 2 graphs show that a total of 3,119 vehicles passed around our school in just 30 minutes, which means that the air we breathe while we are at school is far from pure.
Alternative sources of energy. Malta currently uses oil to provide energy to most households. Oil is a fossil fuel which produces waste gases causing air pollution when burnt. Fossil fuels are a source of non-renewable energy and are gradually being depleted. Renewable sources of energy include solar, hydroelectric, biomass and wind energy. Since the sun in Malta is available throughout the year, solar energy is the most plausible option.
Alternative energy refers to the energy sources which are not based on the burning of fossil fuels or splitting of atoms. Fortunately, there are many means of harnessing energy which have less damaging impacts on our environment. Here are some possible alternatives. Solar energy is one of the most resourceful sources of energy for the future. Solar energy is presently being used on a smaller scale in heating systems for homes and to heat up swimming pools. On a large-scale use, solar energy could be used to run cars, power plants, and spaceships.
Wind power is another alternative energy source that could be used without producing byproducts that are harmful to nature. Wind turbines could be placed in an area of